Hey there, tubers. Here we are with our freezing an egg on a rock experiment. Probably a lot of people have seen cooking an egg on the concrete in the middle of the summer or on a hot day. And so today we're like negative 40 or something with the wind chills in Indiana. And so this rock has been out here in the winter time, and this egg has been on it here for about probably 8 minutes, I would say, maybe 10 at the top. And so top side of that, and it's pretty well froze on it. I was hoping I could flip it for you, but maybe I should have used some cooking spray with this experiment, but it is definitely frozen solid. Oh, there we go. There we are. Able to get it there on that edge. Maybe that's a...
It's gonna bust open.
I think we might be able to flip it, folks. Oh, there it goes. And
Ew, it's got...
as one commenter said in the background, it's going to bust open, you know. And sure enough,
I'm not a commenter, I'm his son.
that commenter was correct. There is our egg, and it was out here for maybe 10 minutes at the most and frozen solid. Thanks for watching, tubers.